The Best Print Excellence Award in India.
Quality of work is amazing.
A very good forum.
Out of the box ideas.
It was fantastic.
It's very interesting.
Very, very nice entries.
A multi-sensorial experience.
The advantages of everybody entering works here.
It's a very good concept.
For me personally, it's the fact that I get to see the best print work in person as opposed to on a screen and get to interact with it and see the different printing techniques.
This is great that this award reached to its third year. Practically, it's already created some sensation into the industry, and in industry, this is a coveted award. The people advertise this award, they use this for their marketing pitch, and this is getting recognition to the print buyers as well. Slowly, the print buyers are getting aware about this award, and the printers are quite proud to get this award.
I think out of all the work that I've seen today, I think there's a huge change in printing and the whole technology behind printing. So huge changes, a lot of stuff that you couldn't have imagined doing say 4-5 years ago, that has happened. A lot of innovations in the styles of printing has happened. So the finish is great. The print, a lot of new papers have been introduced. So overall, I think the standards of printing has gone up really well.
And the best part is the enthusiasm that comes out in the way they have participated. I mean, I have gone through some 100-odd entries by now, and they are indeed mind-blowing. So, and I don't think there's anything like this that exists. So, wish you good luck, and I'm sure this will help this industry. I mean, at least the smaller guys get motivated, the bigger guys also kind of get a place to showcase to the industry what is it that they're doing new, and there are a lot of things that we've seen for the first time, and there are a lot of things that we had seen abroad but seeing here for the first time.
The category what you have, like innovative category what you have introduced, that is fantastic, and definitely this award function, whatever your categories you have created, that will give a mileage to the printers also and to the buyers also. That's what I think.
As an editor of an arts and ideas journal, that you need to have the tactile feel of a book, and however much you enjoy reading from a Kindle and the practicality of it, but the whole tactile feel of a book is different, and a Kindle can never replace that. For example, if you see Seagull Publications, a book like this. A book like this is so precious to hold. They really design well. They've got a kind of leather-bound book, and the design is exquisite. You can never really understand or feel this digitally.
This is the one I would like to show, wherein it has got a leathery kind of finish. Also, like in functionality, also it shows that it's a gift kind of a pack. When I move my fingers on it, like it also tells me that there's some rays, UV kind of effect which is given on it. So I think it's a more interactive kind of a pack with the consumer.
It's a classic examples of the printing and metallizing and everything. So those things, I feel that this is some of the opportunity that I can take the experience, exposure, and then I can apply it into my work and industry to the beneficial of the group.
I think in terms of the entries, there were some very, very nice entries, in fact. And I think the one I'm sitting on itself is a fantastic example. It's really nice, it's very practical, and I didn't even know that this would be part of the, the entries, so to say. So I think this is a wonderful example of an entry. I thought the printing was fantastic. It was so spectacular in its, realistic nature itself. If you look at it, it just looks like it's been penciled in right now. It doesn't even seem like a print, and that's what. This is another example I thought was like really marvelous. Obviously, it's an absolute surprise. You don't know what brand it is until you open it and discover it's for Nimbus. Obviously, the bottles must have been inside. So I think these were some of the examples which were really, really very, very nice.
This book that I really think it's like a collaboration of like a printer and the designer, because designer has seen the 50% of it as in terms of imagination, but printer has, I'm sure they must have done this book together. 50% is done by designer, because the designer has imagined the entire idea and how the book, there'll be a book or there'll be so many pages, but I'm sure the printer must have added a 50% which is like you can do this pop-up, or you can like great details you can add and you can actually execute.
Being a packaging engineer, working in the packaging industry, always design, shape, graphics do interest us a lot to understand what. One thing what interested me, a paint company has made this box, which is like, I think they're planning to put few kits, maybe bottles or whatever it is. It's like a toolbox. They've designed it like a toolbox and it's handy. It's like simple flexo printing done very neatly, presented very well. It looks elegant. I've gone through other samples also, wherein we have seen, you know, mixture of different substrates, wherein we've seen one clear sample wherein it indicates flexo printing, base is gravure, flexo, and then again screen, which is very rare in the industry and very difficult to achieve.